On your marks, get set, go.
Sam uncle signals the little bikers to start the race. 9 of them are on the track immediately. Arman is struggling. His cycle refuses to move. Arzu and Mummy are surprised. He had learned to balance himself quite well and had practiced so hard for the race. Mummy goes to see what went wrong. Arman was sitting on his cycle trying hard to move. He had tears in his eyes. As soon as he saw Mummy, he started crying. Mummy hugged him first, then looked at his cycle. It had a flat tire.
Oh, the back tire is flat. That is why it is not moving.
Arman looked at his mother.
Flat tire? What does that mean, Mom?
Mummy then explained to him that the tire has air in it. All tires have air in them. Without air, they are of no use. Wiping his tears, she drags the cycle and takes it to a cycle repair shop in the neighborhood market. Arman watches as the air is filled in and the tire expands slowly.
Mama, this is just like a balloon. When Daddy blows into the balloon, it also becomes big.
Mummy then explains to him that this is air. When air is blown into a balloon or tire, it expands and only then it becomes useful. Air is everywhere. We cannot see it as it has no color. When it is still, we can neither see it nor feel it. But we are alive only because of air. We breathe air all the time. We breathe through our nose. Row A, row B. Row A has living things. Row B has non-living things. What is the one common thing between row A and row B? Yes, they both need air. Row A needs air to breathe. Living things will die if they don't get air. Plants, animals, and human beings need air to live. The non-living things in row B need air to become useful. A balloon gives us pleasure only when it is filled with air. A tire is of no use without air. And we cannot play with a flat football. When you fill air in them, they become big, they expand. This shows that air occupies space. A candle needs air to burn. When we cover a burning candle with a glass jar, the candle stops burning. This shows that air is needed for burning. Which of these will weigh more? Yes, the inflated tire, balloon, and football weigh more. This shows that air has weight. When the air moves, or we make the air move, we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Sometimes we feel it strongly. Sometimes we feel it gently. Arman, Arzu, and Ginger are visiting their grandparents who live near a big lake far away from the city. The children are very excited as there is so much open space here. As soon as they wake up, they run to the huge grounds overlooking the lake. It is a very pleasant day. Many things such as the sailing boat in the lake, the moving windmills make them feel the presence of wind. Arman is happy as he can fly the kite high up in the sky. Now you know. Air is everywhere. We cannot see it as it is colorless. All living things need air to live. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Moving air is called wind. Sometimes we feel it strongly, sometimes we feel it gently. We should try to keep the air as clean as possible.